Village Bun Vibro ajum tip nam tai khuar kam ke apply lengba ka MPSC Mekhlia Public Service Commission kene apply khandai tarik September 2020 te ki bakwa apply sa ngap ma page ik video hadu ka bakut te ki don kumba shispa live ho tali e ki vacancy ki balan bat ki don jong jong ki post kumba shpho khat atali e ki post lag jong jong ki qualification te shwa bangan ya chakmat bne thu e ki post ko aman pentip ba ki post kini ki balan kide bitang nam tag bila pas graduate bat post graduate kemud batang bila ada BA BSc BCom terter bat ki MA MSc na gejong jong ki master degree ma te yang ini page mentah online application will be received up to 17 October on the 18 October 17 hours on the 18 October the last date tekan mau kan day khat pratrik October and no application will be entertained on the closing date ada implementa te last date kedai khat pratrik Oktober arjar opsau te ki bakwa apply sakan mau ban apply candidate are request to check and update their profile te kan mau ki bal ada ba register ya MPSC dan DSC te kan mau ban update ke profile ke jong phi ban ada ki qualification lada graduate ban ada graduate nomor lada film ad film yo ban apply te sakan mau ban le kumta nda pila mud ban apply sada kan mau ban update iki ba pila ada ban pule la klem pat ada ka por ba pila apply ki post te sakan mau ban ad no pada te in page swam ta ka post ka baningkong kadai assistant conservator of forest under forest and environment department ki light kamba santali e ki vacancy te qualification in sape nda ada ban batai kini ki post ber vacancy te tangam ta kaneka kadai level 15 assistant conservator of forest under forest environment santali ki post balaj kawe you are atli khasi atli garo telong santali baro assistant curator ada district museum tura kabupaten tura kande vacancy tangkawe tangjung garo category kinyo tanggaro ban apply malai dairy officer under the directorate of dairy development kande level 15 kande santali ki post vacancy santali vacancy kawe you are atli khasi jaintia atli garo santali baro the junior informative officer in the directorate of information and technology communication department tangkawe ke post you are kemudian la baro ban apply pasan scientific officer in the mobile forensic crime scene on unit under the directorate of forensic science kumi kini kemudian phaban dep jaga forensics crime scene baik kemudian MSc forensic dan BSc forensics kio bejang kita bela ban apply tentang kawe ke post kene tangkawe you are category and kemudian reu kene counselor in the district prison and correctional homes santali ki post hangne ki vacancy santali ki vacancy kawe you are artli khasajantia artli garo santali baro tekane ka senior scientific assistant in the mobile forensic crime kinero ki yo bitang ki bakule kane ka forensic crime hi tekadon khatlai tali ki post bala artli you are reu khasajantia san garo baro long khatlai dan bapra subdivisional public relation officer media extension officer assistant public relation officer on the directorate of information and public relation in the subunit office santali ki post kawe you are khasajantia garo borong sana long santali piano instructor tanggi bala pendep ya piano hi kanero piano instructor at State Institute of Arts and Culture kane tangkawe ka post tangjong ki khasi jantia guitar instructor at State Institute of Art and Culture kanero ki dimla dep panga guitar instructor amande degree plus extra staki ba lek pulish pangi guitar instructor kane tangkawe ka post jongki garo dan JDA junior divisional assistant kane kadi ka bun post tam na baro mo kan ma ba kane baro ki graduate kila ban apply nam ta kane PDBA ne BSc ne BCom ne BTech ne kono ro baro kila ban apply kane any graduate kila ban apply mo kan ditangan ni kepala ba baro kila ban apply kepala ada biar graduate junior divisional accountant under the administrative control of director account and treasury te kila san putul lai tali ke post pratali you are khasijantia kawe ga din ta sports person arpoi tali nam tai garo kawe nam ta sports person artali nam ta ki OSTSC baro long sun fly tali plus biang sei ki post ki ba klem dap marakatu ka bal adem klem la ban pendap kala drup khandai ndrei kim la ban don bapas te kana thali biang te ki advertise biang ganya kana ka thali life under thali ki post plus biang bat kine gany hangne kalongwa khasi jantia khandai tali garo arpsan bon garo katusi bon pas kidi garo arpsan post arpsan tali vacancy te ar tali nam tagi order STSC baru long life under ba kane ka life under kala wakan biang ad biang hane kan long bai haron prap khandai tali ki post jongka JDA kinang long kinang lat men vacancy ka batmai bat ad biang tu gi barim. And bakadar scientific assistant in the mobile forensic crime unit kanero tanggi ba ada puli ka mobile forensic crime unit hi dan khatlai tadi ki pus RUR dari bahasa India Sangaro khatlai tadi baro te total jung ini baro kapoi kumtai sispa life tali ki vacancy dan in page ki eligibility page namte hangnel ada ai lupa for post of assistant consultant of forest bachelor degree or equivalent in science or engineering ki balap na apply ya kane tangi balik science but like engineering tang in science or engineering of any recognized university with at least one of the following subject tangi ne kila tangi science but engineering hi ki balap na apply nam tangane ki arts ki nom la are agriculture botany chemistry computer science engineering forestry ter gini ki subject balap ai ne the candidate must have a minimum standard for height and chest ki bendon ka height and chest ki pet ki shim ya ka height rumo kan ne kan mau te hang ni ladap ai ka height nam tagi male candidate kedai shispa and reply nam tagi female kedai shispa san pho aero ka chest gut normal but expansion te ngatrai gendon hi ka the following minimum height may be allowed in case of candidate belong to scheduled tribe te category nam tagi general category kane gadi nam tagi SC/ST spa san pho arishan rang bat shispa sopsan ki kentai te kandon baik ke jinga mare ane phesuyat kat bafila atma arpsan kilometer hapo sau kanta phya pendap ikan the bade kadai khandro kilometer hapo sau kanta pendap tenam ta ka post of assistant curator in district museum tura khabandap yaga master in history lane museology from any recognized university tang kita gila apply nam ta ka dairy officer bade bachelor of technology dairy technology balik pulih tang yaga dairy technology gila apply for the post of junior informatic officer kinebre tangi BE BTech computer science information technology electronic and telecommunication from any recognized institution in India or master in computer application MCA tangi ne gila apply namtaka scientific officer in mobile forensic crime unit tangi MSc in forensic crime with any specialization ingal da pa tangi balik pulih chapanga ne ka forensic science hi gila apply nam tagi ne bde chpangi mobile forensic crime post of counselor kinebde de tangi MA and MSc in clinical psychology MA MSc in counseling psychology MSW specialization in counseling and psychology MA in social work tangi ne gi bala ban apply te namonta ka senior scientific assistant kaner ga hi MSc in forensic science ke badai ka mobile forensic crime te bitangi MSc forensic science for the post of subdivision public relation officer kine tangi balik pulih ka mass communication and video production / media technology from any recognized institution tangi ta amla are ban apply lot baro nam ta ka piano instructor tangi blada degree from any recognized university tangba kidi bendap re kanega grade 4 in theory of music and grade 8 in practical piano forte electronic keyboard guitar kumjo hi kidi mendap ke degree badap ya grade 4 but grade 8 for post of JDA ya kane ko mangaladap ong ba tangi bala adap graduate baro gila apply kane kano graduate adap degree ya yo be apply tangane ka post ko ba baro kila apply JDA for the post of scientific assistant in mobile forensic kanero BSc in forensic science tangi balik pilih forensic si kila apply second mau ki balong eligible lagi jongi post kila apply te tangga we tangga JDA hi ba baro kila apply ka age kalong gumju hi khat pra do life r plus sans name kalong bai khat pra do life ho news name kan mawa ki ba ko apply relaxable long sans name kumju hi te ka price hangne dap tho ba ka rate kalong atu post number 1 to 5 kadai saus pa rupho long march Chiteng ka sospan rupo nam tagi SCST. Post number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lais pasan po mar chiteng ka lais pasan po kade jong SCST. Post number khatar kade lais par po mar chiteng ka lais par po kade jong ki SCST. Tegi buku ban apply tisakan mau ban lej po ka MPSC website lada piklem pada register shua yo ban apply lada ban apply teng ki DSC ni giwe te pila ban shu login direct la yo ban apply nam tagi ni post you update ka profile ka jong pi ad ki qualification jong pi pila dep ki ad biang te khnang ba pin yo ban apply lem kom ta te pida yo ban apply lu pin sa reject hadin. Candidate are to apply and submit their application through online mode only by clicking on the online application. Then mpsc.nic.in hang tu apply ka last date kan dekat pratik Oktober arjar arpsau. Payment telah tibi la ichalan net debit com ATM card credit card net banking kad bapina UPI ro kala ban long kilai option hi ban pendap te select ka bulan kam te tang kini hi ki jing pentip te la don hang ner la dap ai lupai ka method of selection ro idon ke jong jong ro nam ta ka post peta ka conservator of forest kadon ka jing mare kumbalaong arp sau kilometer san sau konta 400 kilometer nam ta ikan the sau konta then sawan sa screening test ai marks written examination as per syllabus la ai yang tu berok syllabus pila ban yo ya kan po MPSC website ni ada pilot detail nam ta ki post jong tu kini ki exam nam ta post jong dari officer nam ta post junior informatic post of scientific officer post of counselor post of senior scientific post of public relation post of piano instructor guitar junior divisional assistant kini lais pak mak dan kawan sakane hakamin kum hab le choi ka screening test la pass kan poisa kamin then hab thok pendep ini pas mak de saupo then post of scientific to la ain then sawan sa personal interview kumta ter la dap download ki jeng batai habe de bat kini ki post ki balai lembaga MPSC tangini ki jeng tip habe de bat kini kulisibun